Yo yo yo, it's your host, Mateusz, and today I'm gonna start. No, today's goal is to communicate client with server and do some ping ponging. Yeah, to basically exchange messages using Boost Asia and the event loop it provides. So we will see. It's not gonna be so simple because I want to introduce some like message class or socket, no message, socket class, and that will handle connections and transferring the data through the wires. So yeah, we will see how it goes. Yeah, see you when it got some shape. So at this point it's Sunday evening and I have not been in the house for the whole weekend because me and my wife visited her parents. So I came back like a couple of hours ago and started coding again. And at this point I am able to ping pong client with the server. So server is just accepting clients and expecting them. It is expecting them to send pings, and we just send back pongs. And very similar with the client. Yeah, the code here is rubbish, let's say, but I will clean this up later. So we basically we connect to the server. At the successful connection, we just send ping, and when we receive something, we send ping again. So yeah, it works. Let's say I just run server. Okay, I'm not running server. I'm compiling server. Now it's running. I'm compiling client and it's running, and you can see a bunch of pings. Okay, you can't see anything. I will stop them right now. So yeah, it is just sending ping pongs immediately. So we sent like 60,000 ping pongs when I was talking. So yeah, it works, and I will just continue to polish the socket class and make it more user friendly and stuff like that. So yeah, good progress. So I think I will call it a day. Not much more. I didn't do much more. Basically, I just created try write function that just takes pointer to data and size, and wraps calls to prepare write and do write, and some CMake housekeeping. Anyway, I think that's a good progress though, because I have something communicating through the Boost Asia, which is not obvious, which was not obvious for me at the beginning of the project. So yeah, we will continue from this point. So see you in the next video.